Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pinkvilla.
Hey you guys, this is me Hesha Chimah, your very own fashion and beauty blogger, and I'm back on Pinkvilla with a video that I got many requests for. I'm showing you guys my festive Navratri go-to makeup look. It's easy, it's cash, and at the same time it's perfect for the festive season. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, then stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, so I'm already done with my base. So I have used my concealer, I've used my foundation, and I've then set it up. The reason I don't kind of do my base on camera is because I personally feel that A, everybody's base makeup is suitable to their skin type, and B, there's no particular technique, so makeup is more about trial and error, so you should always do your base as per your preference. Moving on, what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to quickly fill in my brows, because I've realized over time the importance of actually having a good eyebrow and well-defined brows, and I don't kind of go over the top with the brows because they look like too starky, but definitely I'm gonna use a spoolie to kind of give them a shape and then just fill in with an angular brush all the places where I feel that I have lesser hair growth, trying to be perfect. But yeah, so I'm just gonna take that little bit on my brush and then just go over lightly and give them a more natural kind of look and just fill in the gaps. Just in the direction of the hair growth, as much as product you'd want to go and apply that, and then just to give it a very natural effect, I'm going to run over my spoolie once more on top of that and take a little bit more product. It's always good to build it up. And I'm just going to put it on the places I feel it still needs. Done with the brows, I'm just going to now go ahead and contour my face, because if I don't contour my face, I personally feel I look overly white and I don't like to look so white. So I'm just going to contour my face, and for that I'm going to use this brown color. This is from the Smashbox palette, but you guys can use any shade of brown that you have. In case you have an eyeshadow that is brown color, then you can always use that as well. I'm just going to take that on my brush, dust off the excess, and then just contour the sides of my face. Also, if you are somebody who doesn't really prefer powder contour, you can always use cream contour as well. But I just feel that once you've kind of set your makeup with a compact powder or translucent powder, don't kind of use anything that is creamy textured, because it's just going to look extremely cakey. So then go ahead and stick to using powdered contour or blush that you use. And I think I'm just going to take the same brush and then just very lightly go on my nose as well without taking any more product. Also guys, it's Navratri, okay? So whenever you're doing your makeup, remember A, that you've set your makeup, B, that your makeup's waterproof, and C, it would be the best if you don't put too much makeup, because you're going to be dancing, you're going to be sweating, and then you don't want like a patchy framework going on your face. So avoid that. Okay, now that I'm done with my contouring, I'm just gonna go ahead and pick a blush. I think I'm gonna go ahead with this one today because I want a little lighter blush happening. So I'm just gonna mix all of these 4 colors very lightly on my blush brush and just go over them on my cheeks. Also, as I always say, blush is preference. If you like a lot of blush, then go ahead and use a lot of blush. But if you like very little blush, depending on your skin type, use little blush. Just gonna put a little bit of that onto my cheeks. I don't think the cold's ever leaving me for a long time now. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and mix 2 highlighters, and I'm just gonna put that onto the above part of my blush. I don't know what I said, but yeah, you know where to put the highlighter, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right there. Done. Let's move on to the eyes right now. For my eyes, I think I'm gonna be playing up with hint of gold and probably contour the outer part with like a nice brownish, maroonish shade. So I'm gonna start off by using this color, this golden color that I have here, taking it on my brush, and I'm just gonna put it onto my eyelid. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of the lighter golden color and just go over that. Likewise, I'm going to do the exact same thing on my other eye as well. So once again, I'm going to take the darker color, dust off the excess, and then just put it on the lid. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take another eyeshadow brush because I don't kind of want the glitter to go also when I'm contouring my eyelids. And I'm going to take this brown color that I have here right now, dust off the excess, and I'm just gonna go over the first color that I have put without actually touching the color that I've already put here. So I'm just gonna start off with the side first. Make sure that you are blending all the colors because remember, blend, 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 blend is your friend. And I'm done. What I'm going to do right now is whatever little product that I have left on this brush, I'm just going to take it down and kind of like merge it all in. And a little bit of a pinkish tone is what I'm going to add, which is here. A little bit of that, just a little. Okay, now that I'm done applying my eyeshadow, I'm just going to go ahead and use an eyelash curler to curl my eyelashes and then flutter my eyes with some mascara. About 5 seconds is enough, so as they kind of get like a turn, and then all you can do is just go ahead and put your mascara so as it stays curled. So you can see what a difference a mascara makes, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of it on my under eye as well, like the lower lash line. Done with my mascara, and last but not the least, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to wearing a lip color. I have a couple of lipsticks with me right now over here, and you know, I can always play up with the color depending on the actual outfit that I wear on that day. But I think for now, I'm gonna go ahead and use a really nice pink shade, which is called Girl About Town from MAC. I'm just gonna do that because simply because of the fact that I have skipped using eyeliner, I have not used any kajal, I've just used like a very soft, nude, goldenish kind of eye makeup, so I can definitely go ahead and opt for a brighter mouth. So I'm going to use this color, which is, as I said, Girl About Town by MAC. I'm going to just smudge it a little bit so as it doesn't look too pink. Voila! I'm done. Okay, so this was my easy breezy go-to festive makeup that I'm going to be wearing this Navratri when I'm going to go out to play Garba and Dandiya with my friends. The whole point is that it looks glam, but at the same time, it's not too much because please remember you're going to be sweating and you don't want to look like a ghost. At least I don't want to. So yeah, this was a video that you girls requested on my Instagram. I got about 4 to 5 requests. So please do keep sending in your requests either here in the comments below or on my Instagram because I love listening to you guys. And if you like the video, make sure that you give it a big thumbs up. You subscribe to Pinkvilla, share it with your friends, and I'm going to see you next time. It's me, Hesha, signing off. Bye and happy festivities.